Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing some music learning tools that I purchased online. So this the first thing is this sheet for music symbols. So it's the size I think it's 8 by 11.5, like an A4 size, and it is laminated. So this is the piano staff knowledge sheet. You get all the notes, music notations, Italian symbols, and then in the very back, this is what I like the most because the ledger lines go all the way to this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. So that's really good for extensive learning. So that's it's good for like a cheat sheet for the kids. So this is my the table, and then here we got the circle of fifths. That is and I think it's aluminum. Sorry for the heater. This is made of aluminum. It's just like a decor, but so this is as you can see, it's as big as my hand. Circle of fifths. It's aluminum. It's pretty sharp, so just be careful handling it. You could like stick it on the wall. There's like holes in here that you can stick it on the wall. It's colorful. And the next one is this. This is kind of cute. This is for the children to learn their notes. There's a little thing in here, I think. You can fasten this. Let's see here how this works. I'm not sure, but I think this is the letters, and let me see how this works. Oh, okay. So where's the note? How does that work? This work? To install this, I think you would have to, there's a hole in here. I think this would be the note, and then you just button it. It's like a button kind of thing that you have to screw, I think. There you go. It's like a snap thing. So see, as you can see, like C. So you could like do that like this for the kids. That's the letter C, or the Do, which is kind of engaging for kids. So that, and then this is the letter D, which you could do like this, D, and then Do, Re. So it makes it more fun for the children. So we got the circle of fifths. Let me see here. So we got 3 so far. I paid really cheap for these items. I got it on Temu. Okay, so next one is, the next item I have is, okay, so this one. So this one, they sold this on Amazon too, but I tried to look up for better prices online, and I found this. This is really nice. Look at this. This is it's made of I think this is aluminum. It has a stand, so you can, this is like a circle of fifths, but you can also use it for a guitar. It's really nice. See, you could like for the key of C, you get to see all the notes, the relative chords, and then in the back you also have the bass and treble clef, and then you can like use it for just mastering or sight reading. See it, BG. So this one is really nice. I like it, and it came with some. Let me see. It came with some like a chord chart, I think. Let me just see here. Let me open this. This is a guitar chart. This is a guitar. Yeah, this is a guitar chart. So this is like the user manual. You can see, and it's Chinese manual. And there's an English version in the back. So the instruction of utilizing this tool, you got the chord progression. So I'll check more on that later. So you got that. You could also laminate this if you'd like. And then I have four charts here. So it's really nicely packed. They're packed in a tube so they won't be wrinkled or anything. So let's see, what is it? What is this? Let's see here. So this is made of a very thick paper. It's a little bit glossy. You can also laminate it if you like, or you could just put it back in the case if you'd like. So this is like the major and minor sheets. I mean, major and minor chords, cheat sheets. So there. That one is nice. It doesn't have anything in the back. After you use it, you could just like fold it really tight and you can put it back in the case. So this is the next one I have. Let's see what's inside. This one is made of more of like a canvas. So it's a music theory. So we got your sharps and your flats. So this one is easier to fold back because it's made of canvas. And then we already did that. We did this. Next one is this one. So
can I pull it out?
it's hard to pull out. Let me see.
I'll do it.
I get it. I get it. It's kinda. This one is made of.
I could get it out.
No, it's okay. I got it. It's made of a.
I could get it out for
It's
you.
paper. So let's see what this is. This is just all the piano chords. So it shows you in the bottom. This is what I like the most, is the root chord. It shows you the root chord in the bottom, major scale.
Major scale?
And you can like stick that on your music room. It's nice.
And this is what I like the most. The cute little monkey thing.
Okay.
No, I want to put it in.
It's like a manual version of the note rush. Oh no.
Or instead of doing this,
Okay,
for easier, how about you do this? With your finger. It could
Hey, no, give me the last one piece, please.
Skittles.
And the last piece we have is this one.
That one.
There's another circle of fifths.
Maybe I could make something like this. Maybe I can. I'll try to. Hey, I got nothing.
Well, open it, Abe. That's good.
Okay.